Hey guys, we've just arrived at the Warner Brothers studio tour in Tokyo, Japan. The making of the Harry Potter. Parking was pretty straightforward. It was just prepaid. The catch is we had a booking at 10 o'clock and it's now 20 past 10. It says they allow you 30 minutes after, but you got to consider that you got to walk through the bag check as well. So we may be in a little bit of trouble here. Hopefully it all goes well, but let's see how we go. All right guys, we just made it through security. Look at that. I'm not a Harry Potter fan, but wow, the attention to detail is amazing. Are you excited?
Yeah. Oh no, that's happening.
Yeah, are you excited? Guys, poor Julie is still there trying to go through security. They've gone through every part of her bag to the main area. Thank you, arigato gozaimasu. Guys, we're in. It's a little bit dark, so I'm not sure how much you're gonna see. I can't use the flash in here, but we'll try to show you as much as we see. Oh look, it's Harry Potter, eh?
We walk through a stunning foyer lined with moving portraits, glowing displays, and magical photo frames that feel like they are straight out of the movie. Take it all in as you make your way through the queue.
3, 2, 1. Hogwartsへようこそ。Welcome to Hogwarts.
Something happened,
We're
guys.
going into the Grey Hall.
Everyone got excited, but we don't know why.
Well, you don't know why.
We're in the banquet hall, which is a bit unfortunate because Emily's hungry right now. We're inside the banquet hall right now where they eat their food and the lights have just come on. Alright guys, we're in the next room now. A lot of this stuff now is all props from the movie. This was the... What was this be? Was this the house? The Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince house. They make small miniature versions of what the sets would look like before they actually go ahead and build them. Wow. I found Harry Potter. Guys, we're up in the second section now and it seems like they've got the moving stairs here. The Dumbledore. They've got photo stations here. So you can basically go and take a photo there with a backdrop from the movie. So guys, apparently you needed some type of ticket. There was a computer system there. But look at that guys. The staircase is moving. Look at that. Guys, comment down below. What is your favorite Harry Potter movie? What's your favorite Harry Potter movie?
First one, the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone.
V, what's your favorite Harry Potter movie?
Prisoner of Azkaban.
Guys, comment down below and let us know what is your favorite Harry Potter movie. There was an introductory movie and then they make you sit through in a cinema explaining to you exactly when these movies were made and how it came to fruition. And they said that it's about 4 hours for this tour. So we're going to be walking through multiple rooms. Jace, what's your favorite Harry Potter movie? Jace's favorite is The Goblet of Fire. Now, mission accomplished. Now we're going to go find them on one of these photo frames. There you have it guys, they took a video back there and it's showing up over here. We are finally moving to the next room. So guys, you can line up here and you can go into, pretend you're riding a broom playing Quidditch. They're all lining up to cheer on a fake game in a fake crowd. Now we're going to go see them on the big screen, guys.
When it's released, and the game begins.
Do you see your father? It's a Hogwarts castle there, guys. Stargazing, the headmaster's shelf. There's all these props are here as well. They'll talk about exactly how they use them.
Art Deco for the 1920s time period in full design.
Guys, they found a potions classroom. He's a big fella. Look at him. Well, that's nowhere to park the car.
Those are the horses.
Well, he's got to park the car.
No, it crashed because it was flying. It's called a flying car. These help Dumbledore. These things help Dumbledore. They help Harry in the forest.
No way.
The
We will leave.
Dementors.
Huh?
The Dementors.
The Dementors?
Yes, these are the Dementors.
If you bow to the falcon, it bows back to you.
We ended up coming outside now. Eyes are still adjusting because we were going through that dark spider section there. So now it's going to take us through the cafe and we're going to stop and get some bite to eat. What a beautiful day we've got here in Tokyo today. Alright guys, we've just ordered our food from the cafe here. Just the food without the butterbeer. It wasn't cheap. It came to 11,560 yen, which is around 115 Australian dollars. But it's a tourist place and it's expected.
So we got butterbeer. I think where was it? Was it Universal that we had it? I think it was a bit better there. And just taste the cream on this.
Butterbeer again. Oh, you can smell the. Is it vanilla? What is
Yeah,
it on
it's
the
like
top?
a vanilla cream. I feel like the Universal one was sweeter.
Yeah, it tastes like butterscotch with vanilla. Tastes pretty good.
Which one you reckon's better, that one or Universal?
Tastes the same to me. But the cool thing is, guys, you get it in this cup that you get to keep. Yeah, fair enough. We paid 25 bucks for two of these, but it's a souvenir cup, so we'll have it. We got a bunch of food. We got a pie, which was around 30 bucks. A famous pink burger. M got the steak, which she doesn't like, and B got a kids burger that you can make yourself, basically. Huh. They got red pepper on the fries. I think it's to tell you that it's chili. I'm gonna try dig into this. Oh wow, that sauce is really nice.
What's it like with the gravy?
Yeah, it's like a gravy, very runny, and there's meat and vegetables inside there.
So this is the beef stew pot pie. Oh look, it's actually got chunks of vegetables in there.
Chunks of potatoes and stuff in
Look.
there too. Wow,
That's broccoli and carrot.
smells good.
Yeah, it's like a red wine. Very watery though. It's not too salty. It's like a gravy based. The vegetables are very, very soft. And look, I don't know if I can open it up. So there's chunks of meat, chunks of potatoes. That's really nice. Let's try the chips. That pepper, it's got a really weird taste to it.
Next is this burger. I think the guy said that the burger is a little bit spicy. They said there was an onion in there as well, which I can't see, unless it's those small onion flakes.
Oh,
But basically it's got little, I don't even know what that is. What is that little,
It's like pork.
I don't know. No, those red things.
Oh, like tomatoes?
don't know what
Oh,
they
they're
are.
probably chilies.
Oh, that might be the chilies actually. So there's little chilies, red bun, lettuce, the beef patty. The chilies.
What does it taste like?
Look, it's all right. The meat's okay. The lettuce and the tomato actually taste fresh. And the thing that does it for me is the little chilies that are in there. They're like pickled chilies and they taste amazing. This might be either ketchup or chili sauce. It's chili sauce. Oh, wow. That's spicy sauce. It's pretty good. I'll rate it.
So that's it there. So you've got the pink bun, lettuce, tomato, the beef. That looks like it's a bit of pork in there. It's nice. It's like a normal burger. And this doesn't have any flavouring to it. I think it's just a pink bun.
Try the sauce.
No, it's chili. That's like Frank's hot sauce.
Alright, we're going to where Harry Potter lived, like number 4 Privet Drive. So let's go. Yeah, this is so cool. There's the stairs. This is where Harry lived.
Look how small.
It's so cozy. Wow.
Mr. Harry Potter, look how they enter the stairs. 4 people grab little winding.
Wow. This is a hallway. As you guys can see. And this is when the cake. You can see everyone on the floor and then the movie battling. And then you can see all the character sets. Oh wow. This is so cute and cozy. So that was the tour inside the Harry Potter house, number 4 Privet Drive.
Guys, before we came here, I heard that the coffee isn't that big here and it's not that great. I haven't come across a nice coffee my entire stay so far. Tell me how to start the motorbike up, eh? Julia, get one of these for me and you at home. I'll get a sidecar and hook it up to the MTO9. Here's a night bus, guys. Why don't you get in there, guys? It's closed off. Platform 9 3/4. The Hogwarts Express at platform 9 3/4. Got real steam coming out of the train. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys. Jace, run into the wall, bro.
Nope, doesn't work.
Alright guys, we're going into the train now. You can walk through the train and there's some displays inside there as well, so we'll go check them out. It's a little dark in here. But there you have it, guys. Hogwarts Express. It's Ronnie. It's a chocolate frog. It's a Slytherin, guys. We're leaving, bye! Oh look, that's when they grow up. My dear, don't wake up! We did it, guys. We arrived. We've arrived at platform 9 3/4. And my wife is just waiting for me. I'm gonna go inside the railway shop just to see what they've got. Here's what they've got, guys. Found the wand wall. So basically, that's all the different types of wands. Wands range from about 4,600 to 4,900 yen. It's at around 46 to 50 Australian dollars. You get your wand at Warner Brothers Studios in Japan. There's all the different architecture they've done.
Is to take the production designs created by Stuart Craig, figure out how to build them exactly as they were imagined.
Thank you. Thank you. Did they film some of it in Japan? No. So what's this then?
They made it here. They made it here.
Pretty cool. There's a shark.
That's the underwater scene.
Oh, is it?
Where that guy drowned. But then Harry comes and saves him.
Isn't that from Lord of the Rings?
Guys,
Yeah.
That's Gollum.
Guys, we're in a little town now, which appears to be part of the movie. Where is it, girls?
Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley, I'm so excited.
Apparently it's Diagon Alley. There's little stores like they are in the movie. That looks pretty cool.
Diagon Alley.
Just in time for school, puking pastels.
There's a miniature version of the Hogwarts castle, guys. When we say miniature, I mean it's pretty massive still. see it all, guys. The walkway wraps around the castle. There it is. We're walking through the store now, guys, and I think we're done. Got jumpers, wands, chocolates. Everyone's just so nice here, guys. Clothing here, they've got Lego. Oh wow. Look at that. Alright guys, we're going to head back to the car now. We're going to drive to Team Labs. We've got about a 50-minute hour drive back. They're going to wrap up in the shop now, and we'll catch up with you guys when we get to Team Labs.